Oh, 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 oh. Un, dos, tres, cuatro.
That's not my nigga, don't claim him. About 20 missed cops, he faded. White boy wasted, Channing Tatum.
I hit through strictly with that fire, 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 fire.
Oh, shit. Oh. Goes. Oh, ouch. Sit down. Not throw yourself down.
Вид приехал, пошли.
Arms.
Yeah, buddy.
Go to grandma's later? Yeah? You wanna go to grandma's?
You want chicken dinner?
What?
Winter chicken dinner?
Yes?
I don't think so. Really?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Were these double baked potatoes? Are you okay?
High five.
Do it.
Oh my god!
I shoved.
Stop. You.
Daddy a cookie? Oh, you're nice. It's okay.
Mommy.
Yay!
She already gave me that.
Nothing.
Oh no.
I have two. You have one.
Other one.
It's in his mouth.
Oh.
Quick.
Oh.
You didn't get anything.
I think you should give her one of yours.
No, I don't want to share.
Okay.
Do you want one from the box? Which one you want, box?
¿Vamos a dar la vuelta, Pablo?
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Waffles and fish fingers. Yummy.
Oh.
Where's the...
Ready?
You like the... Oh!
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Нельзя! What do you think? Nein, nicht so. Nein, nein, nein. Pass auf.
¡Ay, Miguel! ¡Miguel!
Pass it to me. Oh, thanks. Oh, I've got poo on you.
She pooped on me!
Okay, heal it. Look this one. Ew.
Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh.
I'm so sorry. What do you need? Here, let me see. Oh no, there's more. Nash, can you wipe out?
You fine? I love.
Free. Mummy's poo. Oh.
It's stinky here. Alright, thank you. Oh!
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh my god. A little seizure every time you pet her.
Stop. Okay.
baseball trick shots. Wait.
Oh.
Eye on the ball.
Go. Don't slow down.
True, just sit up straight. There. Okay. No. Oh. Oh shit. Oh my god.
Oh.
I'm never riding.
Oh. Cheese. Hey. Whoa. Whoa.
Go.
Coming, mommy.
Look at that big mud streak. Oh my god. Nossa! Vai, pula na água, quero ver. De bunda. Meu Deus.
Oh, you don't know how to slow it down now. Want to go, you couldn't slow it.
I'm small.
Then my head hit the wall. Boom.
Ah, slow.
That's a close one.
So you got yourself a pillow? Oh, oh, oh. You got it.
Put that work in, buddy. Put that work in.
Why did you put it on high?
I woke up in a new Bugatti. I woke up in a new Bugatti.
No mames, mejor mierda.
I woke up in a new Bugatti. 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 I woke up in a new Bugatti.
Hey, Bugattis are fast!
I woke up in a new Bugatti. I woke up in a new Bugatti.
Schatz, das ist ein Opel Corsa!
I woke up in a new Bugatti. 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 I woke up in a new Bugatti.
Yo, what's up, bitch? We living life.
좋아, 그래.
Hi.
Is it fun? Not sure? Bubby, you're really close to the ground. Just let go.
Is the airplane coming? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Oh, hooray!
Emiliano.
Gotta push. Push. Oh, there it went.
Say hello. Hello.
No. Oh, damn.
What is on your pancake?
Regarde, te le mets là. Non, non. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ça me tente plus. Tout le monde, t'as envie de faire?
T'es prêt d'être là, je vais te montrer.
Ouais. Ouais.
Tu peux aller.
Maudit, qu'est-ce que c'est? Maudit tabarnak. Tabarnak. C'est ça. Tabarnak. Sacrement. Tu n'as rien comme t'as fait. Oh mon tabarnak. Oh nasty.
Do it hard.
Damn it, Sabrina! Sabrina, damn it! It's not what it looks like, man. It's not what it looks like. Ah, Andrew! Andrew! Oh my god! And I was just joking with you. Oh my god, I keep...
What are you doing in my kitchen?
It's me, man. What you got? What the fuck? What the fuck is that? You don't in here.
What are you doing?
Nothing, I just pooped. I was just
Why did you act all suspicious?
I was just making sure.
What are you doing?
I pooped. You just Are you okay?
What the heck? This is a joke.
I'm holding on to something.
Oh, what's going on?
What? Hell no!
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!
Nice.
Oh my goodness.
That's her. No.
Somebody once told me the world is gone.
¿Vamos a dar la vuelta, Pablo?
I woke up in a new Bugatti. I woke up in a new Bugatti.
you.
Jesus!
Get your bees!
Like a number in the net.
Right? So we need to find that.
Wait. Magic.
Traditional labor with as a member of the Kevin Broccoli assistance.
Look.
Okay.
If you have any sickness in your body, your healing is now. Watch this to the end. Come to me, all you who are sick, all you who are weary in body, burdened in spirit, or broken in heart. I see your pain. I see the sickness that has attacked your body, the torment in your mind, the weakness in your bones. And I say to you, be healed. For I am the Lord, your healer. I took your pain. I carried your sickness. By my stripes, you are healed. Not by your strength, not by your efforts, but by my love and my blood that was poured out for you. Do not be afraid. Do not believe the voice of fear or the whisper of hopelessness. I have the final word, and my word is life. My word is healing. My word is restoration. Stretch out your hand in faith. Touch the hem of my garment. Believe, not in what you feel, but in who I am. For I am the same yesterday, today, and forever. The miracles I performed then, I still do now. To the blind, I give sight. To the lame, I give strength. To the deaf, I restore hearing. To the leper, I bring cleansing. And to you, I speak life. Rise up. Your faith has made you well. The sickness is not unto death, but for the glory of God. Even now I am moving. Even now I am healing. Even now I am touching your body, your heart, and your mind. Comment amen if you believe you are healed today. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video for others to benefit as well. A huge blessing from God follows when you obey. Only believe, and you will see the power of God in your life.
Look, King Golf, me.
Golf, yeah.
to ask you some questions for this TikTok video.
The fuck is that?
Are you just pranking me or something?
Oh god!
Behind you.
Go to the gym.
Jesus! Hello?
I have a boyfriend. Are you on the phone?
Hold on, Mom.
Oh my god, I am so sorry. No, I got a boyfriend. Bye, go. What's this? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! Help me! Push it up! Push it up! Push it up!
Boyfriend! Boyfriend! Hello?
I have a boyfriend.
Hello?
I have a boyfriend.
Oh, hell no!
I thought you were trying to hit on me. I'm sorry.
I was on the phone and that was my
No, I
girlfriend. I
didn't
have a
know.
girlfriend. Hello?
I have a boyfriend.
What the actual fuck?
I'm so sorry. You want the rest?
Oh, forget it, man. Forget it.
Yo, hey. Hello. Hey.
Hey, I have a boyfriend.
Yo, can you hear me? Yo. Yeah, how you been, bro? You want my number? No, I have a girlfriend.
Hello?
I have a boyfriend.
What the actual fuck?
I'm so sorry. You want the rest?
Oh, forget it, man. Forget it. Hello?
I have a boyfriend. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. You're on your phone? Jesus, I thought you were
Babe.
to me. Oh my god, I'm so
Babe, let me just call you back.
No, I got a boyfriend. Bye, go. What's this? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, help me. Push it up. Push it up. Push it up.
Boyfriend! Boyfriend!
Hey.
Hey, I have a boyfriend.
Yo, can you hear me? Yeah, how you doing, man? Hello?
I have a boyfriend.
What? I'm on the phone. I was on the phone with my girlfriend.
Hey, excuse me.
Sorry, I have a boyfriend.
Oh no, I'm trying to.
I'm not interested. I have a boyfriend.
Listen, I'm trying to warn you. You have a flat tire.
Hello?
I have a boyfriend.
Hello?
I have a boyfriend.
Hello?
I have a boyfriend!
was on the phone.
Hey, that's my milk. That's my milk.
This is not your drink. It's not your drink. This is not your drink. That's not your drink. What the heck? That's your drink literally right there, man. That's your drink right there.
I'm so
Oh my
sorry.
days,
I'm
bro.
so sorry.
What you did to my shirt, bro? Forget it, man. Forget it.
Georgia pulled me, found her, I found you till I found her. Never fallen there since you. Once again you fell. I caught her. I said,
Now you know the game. Are you ready? So now you know the game.
Hello. Woo. Woo.
Alright, so yes.
What's for dinner?
What you doing?
Jesus, Gavin, are you serious?
Oh shit!
You really do touch yourself. What the hell?
seriously have no idea. Oh.
Oh my god, are you alright? No. Are you alright? Yo! Oh, bro, what the fuck?
Bro.
What are you doing?
This guy.
What are you looking at? You farted?
You should be ashamed of yourself.
It was the baby.
I'm fine. No, I didn't too.
Take that cabinet, please. Yeah, I can't get it out. Oh, my stomach, baby. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Babe, that was your butt.
Yeah, baby, I'm sorry.
Idea texting you.
Stop! Stop right now! Quit! Don't you dare poop in my car! It's Jeff, pull over right now. He has pooped in the car.
Is he crapped?
You didn't yell. How many yell people do you know? Just say something. SpongeBob, I don't know. Give me another hint. He made Marge. He made Marge. Just say it. Hurry. Who's Marge? Oh, that Simpson is not an actual Simpson, you idiot. Are you serious? Tell your father what you just told me.
Stopped at the toilet again, and it was too big to go down, so I just had to grab it, put it in the bag.
So there's turds in that bag.
Just one, but I'm pretty sure I have a rare form of PTSD, pizza and tits sweat disorder.
That is not what that means.
Well, I'm pretty sure it is because I thought I was lactating, but it turns out it was just sweat.
Grief.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Well, happy Thanksgiving to you. You too. Well, look at here. I've not seen you in
I know,
years.
I know.
You look like you've seen a ghost.
Well, I'm not sure I haven't.
Well,
Oh, how are you?
I'm fine.
I'm gonna get to the hospital as fast as you can. My water just broke.
Okay, what does that mean? Like you're dehydrated or something? Just go by Gatorade. Seriously, kill. You're so dramatic. Thanks.
Dude.
Kelly, what are you slamming the door in my face for? What the?
You on about?
Sorry, I'll go get your stuff now.
No. Tara.
Okay.
Good photo.
Oh! Oh, shit!
Lagi nih gojek-gojek.
You meant to call me? I thought you said you was with your girl.
I am tired. Let's go.
¿Cómo, amor? Tan temprano.
Sí, mi amor, es que ya estoy cansada.
Hey, I literally said I'm literally almost there.
I'm so tired.
Hey, y'all, sorry, I gotta be up early. Like, literally, I have to be up.
It's bedtime. I'm so tired and I want to cuddle.
Yeah, it's bedtime. No, it's boys night. You said boys, bedtime.
Look at me. Do you want to watch Netflix?
Wow. Couldn't afford anymore. Bye. Hey, wait a minute. I've already got one of those. Bye.
She's all yours. She's way too expensive.
Hey, Kareem, I can't afford both of them. I got a mother. No, take me with you.
Couldn't afford it anymore. Bye.
Wait, I already got one of those. Wait. Too expensive. Give it back.
I already have one.
Need toilet paper, please.
Okay, hold on.
What the fuck?
Here you go.
Thank you.
Kelly, tell me that's not poop.
Okay, it's not poop.
Kelly!
What?
Why?
Here you go. Please don't.
Thank you.
Okay,
Mom, not again.
What is on your thumb? Is that
Oh,
poop?
it's poop.
Are you shitting me?
It's just a little.
A little? Jesus!
Ja, men ni kan men. Vabbè, Hey! Oh, yeah! I get him out of option. Tabarnak de kali! Bre! Tabarnak! Boom!
Just got you to sign this.
Oh my gosh, you guys! Sign this for me.
What is this? Where did you find this? Ew!
Can you sign a picture for us? Reese, can you please sign? Please, Reese, please! Can you just sign this for us, please?
What is it? Is this part of the...
Miss Erin, can I get your autograph? For real? Yeah.
Zit là. Ah, parce que t'as pas des mots, Stan. Donne-moi ta tête! Ouais, mon tête! God, it's a cafon! Come back. God, this. Get up!
Ya viene, là, tu te rends de cette colle. Ben, mon père.
Signing what?
Where did you find this picture?
My autograph.
You already we got a
She
friend.
my autograph. Get your signature on this.
No.